In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme and click on one of those right away to apply a perfect one for you. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!